In this video, we're going to examine cloud providers, including Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud. Specifically, we're going to be comparing Amazon Web Services to Microsoft Azure, and also comparing Amazon Web Services to Google Cloud Platform. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the true leader in the infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, space. According to Network World, AWS is 10 times larger than its nearest 14 competitors combined. Microsoft's cloud offering is called Azure. It's also a strong offering. Azure is generally less mature than AWS, however, and is generally smaller as well. Azure does Linux. In other words, you can install the Linux operating system, but the core of Azure will always be in the Windows realm, at least for the foreseeable future. Azure currently offers some free credits to get started, so if you do want to look at Microsoft Azure, you can do so for free. Google's IaaS offering, simply called Cloud, is a relative newcomer when compared to AWS. Google obviously has the infrastructure to successfully deploy IaaS at scale. However, Google generally has less experience than Microsoft at working at the enterprise level, and less IaaS service provider experience than AWS. Here are some considerations for cloud deployments. Examine your existing infrastructure and IT maturity. If you're currently treating IT as a service within your organization, deploying to the cloud should be easy. Also, determine what services are good candidates for the cloud. You could consider deploying a pilot or a test environment to the cloud. When considering the cloud, please be sure to include security of your data in that discussion. Some final thoughts on the AWS comparison. AWS is the clear leader in the infrastructure as a service space, and also within cloud computing in general. Amazon is committed to the cloud and is constantly making improvements and offering new services. Azure and Google Cloud are both key players in the IaaS space, and both are worth looking at when considering cloud deployments.